Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about BIM with Revit. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. BIM is an intelligent model based process which creates 3D building design models containing every information needed for the construction of a building. It facilitates the coordination and collaboration between different teams associated with the project. AEC professionals can more efficiently design, build, and operate buildings and infrastructures. Digital models are meant to stimulate the construction project in a virtual environment and can be used for planning, design, construction, and operation of the facility. A building information model can be used for visualization, enhanced documentation, detection of conflict, interference and collision, building performance, and structural analysis. It can also help us in cost estimating and facility management. BIM dimensions 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, and 7D refer to the type of information and the way in which that information is presented in a BIM model. These dimensions enhance the data associated with a model to increase understanding and clarity on a construction project. Information in these BIM models not only shows what the project will look like, but it provides information on cost, timeline, and sustainability of the project. Revit is a tool to leverage BIM process. Revit is one of the BIM tools available and is widely used for the creation of the 3D digital BIM model. Revit is a single application built for building information modeling with features for the three main disciplines of AEC industry. One of the most useful commands which we can use in Revit is phasing. Many projects such as renovations proceed in phases, each representing a distinct time period in the life of the project. Revit tracks the phase in which views or elements are created or demolished. You can use phase filters to control the flow of building model information into views and schedules. This allows you to create phase-specific project documentation, complete with schedules. We can apply phases to schedules. For example, a large renovation project, a door schedule would usually list all doors created in the project. In a building with hundreds of doors, the schedule could become difficult to work with because the demolished doors would be listed with the post-renovation doors. Instead of working with a schedule in which half of the doors are eventually demolished, we can create one pre-demolish schedule and one post-renovation schedule, applying the appropriate phase to each. Similarly, we can use many more commands in Revit for the BIM process. I hope you like this video. Feel free to comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.